Good morning children. I hope class 9th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing laws of exponents, already solved questions we have seen, and many of you, most of you, I hope you must have completed exercise 1G, but then also few questions I have taken from 1G which are very important. So, those who have not done till now, just you watch properly and try to do by yourself. And one very important thing is whatever solved questions I have solved, that is very important. Those questions are required to be solved by yourself. Just you see questions, try to solve. If any doubt will be there, then only you watch video and try to learn. And today we are going to see exercise 1G. So, those who have not completed, please watch and try to learn and try to solve. So, let us start. First question you have very easy, but then also I have taken, and rest of the questions you need to solve. From each and every question, at least one question I tried to take, so that rest of the questions you will be able to solve by seeing these, and these are important questions, so easy but important. So, let us see. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 you have. Here you know the formula. Which formula was told? If you remember, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So, here you see base you have same and powers are different. Base is same, powers are different. So, this formula can be used. So, it can be written as 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and that will be equal to 2 to the power, LCM will be 3 and 2 plus 1, it means 2 to the power 3 by 3, it means 2 to the power 1, it means 2, and this will be your answer. Next question you see, the same thing is required to be applied over here also. 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 and 2 to the power, LCM you will have 15, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3. So, you will get 2 to the power 13 by 15 and this will be your answer. Next question you see, you have 6 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 6 to the power 1 by 5. So, what you need to do? A to the power m divided by a to the power n, you know a to the power m minus n. So, the same formula is required to be applied. Here you see 6 to the power 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, and this will be 6 to the power, LCM you will have 20, 4 5 ja 20 minus 5 4 ja 20. So, what you will get? 6 to the power 1 by 20 and this will be your answer. Next question you have 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 5 to the power 1 by 4. Here you see your formula is a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a b to the power m, means a into b to the power m, because powers are same and base are different. So, this can be written as 3 into 5 to the power 1 by 4 and this will be 5 3 ja 15 to the power 1 by 4 and this will be your answer. Next you have simplify 3 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4. Again you have formula a to the power m to the power n will be a to the power m into n. So, here you will have 3 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, m and n will be multiplied 4 and 1 by 4, So, you will get this will be cancelled, 3 to the power 1 means 3, and this will be your answer. Next you have 1 by 3 to the power 4 whole 1 by 2. So, here this can be written as 1 by 3 to the power 4 into 1 by 2. The same thing will be there in division also. Suppose if you have a by b to the power m. So, it can be written as a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So, power you have in place of m you have 1 by 2. So, this can be written as 1 to the power 1 by 2. So, power of 1 whatever you are putting value will be 1, that is why I have not written. So, 1 by 3 to the power 4 into 1 by 2 as here it can be written b to the power m. So, this has been multiplied and this will be 2 2 ja 4. So, 1 by 3 3 ja 9 and this will be your answer. Next you have evaluate 125 to the power 1 by 3. How we will do? The same thing is required to be done. Here you see 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 and to the power 1 by 3, and that will be equal to 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. This will be cancelled and you will get 5 to the power 1, it means 5, and this will be your answer. Next you see 8 to the power minus 1 by 3 you have. So, it can be written as 2 to the power 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the power minus 1 by 3, and this will be 2 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3, 3 and 3 will be cancelled, 2 to the power minus 1, it means inverse of 2, and this will be your answer. Next you have if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, find the value of a to the power a plus b to the power b whole to the power minus 1. So, here you see how we will do. A to the power a means 2 to the power 2, b to the power b means 3 to the power 3 and to the power minus 1. So, this will be 2 to the power 2 means 4, 3 to the power 3 means 27 and to the power minus 1. It means 27 plus 4, 31 to the power minus 1, and this will be inverse of 31, and this will be your answer. This you see in this type of number, what you need to do, what you need to know by which number this will be divisible. So, divisibility test you must know of the numbers. So, here you see 14641 you have 14641. This will be divisible by which number you need to know. This will be divisible by 11, 11 1 ja 11, 3 you have 36, 11 3 ja 33, 3 you have again 11 3 ja 33 and 11 1 ja 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11 and again 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11. So, this number can be written as 11 to the power 4 and to the power 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100, and this will be 11 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4. This will be cancelled, and 11 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, it will be cancelled, and this you will get 11 to the power 1 means 11, and this will be your answer. Next you see, here you see you have question 776 divided by 243 to the power minus 3 by 5. What we need to do, we need to know how this can be expressed in exponents. So, for that you need to factorize that number. So 7 7 6 you have, you see 7 3 ja 21 and 6 27. So this must be divisible by 3. So or you can start with 2 also. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, 3 9 ja 27, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 2 4 ja 8 and 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 9. So 5 times you have 3 and 5 times you have 2, it means 3 2 ja 6. This can be expressed as 7776 will be 6 to the power 5. In the same way you find out for 243. So 243 you divide by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 3 2 ja 6 and 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 9, 1 2 3 4 5. So 243 can be written as 3 to the power 5. So now you see how we will solve this. This can be written as 7776 can be written as 6 to the power 5, and this can be written as 3 to the power 5 and to the power minus 3 by 5. This will be 6 to the power 5 into minus 3 by 5 divided by 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 by 5. This 5 and 5 got cancelled, 5 and 5 got cancelled. 6 by 3 to the power, together it can be written minus 3, and this will be 3 2 ja 6. So you will get 2 to the power minus 3. It means 1 by 2 cube and it will be 1 by 8, and this will be your answer. Next question you see, you have 4 by 216 to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 256 to the power minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 243 to the power minus 1 by 5. Here you see how we will solve this. Here you have 216 to the power minus 2 by 3. So it can be written as 36 6 to the power 3. 216 can be written as 6 to the power 3 to the power minus 2 by 3, and that plus 1 by, again we need to know 256 also. 256 will be 64 and 4 will be 6. 256 means it can be written as 4 to the power 4 and to the power minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 243, just now we had seen, this will be 3 to the power 5 to the power 1 by minus 1 by 5. Now here you see 4 by, this can be written as 6 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 to the power 4 into minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 to the power 5 into minus 1 by 5. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and this will be cancelled. You will get 4 by 6 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 3 and plus 2 by 3 to the power minus 1. So you will get, see 4 by 6 to the power minus 2 means inverse of 6 square, inverse of 4 cube, inverse of 3. So, this will be, if you will change this, this will become 4 by 1 by 6 to the power 2. It means it can be written as 4 into 6 to the power 2 plus this can be written as 1 into 4 to the power 3 plus this can be written as 2 into 3, and this will be, here you see you have 6 square means 36, 36 into 4, 36 into 4 you will have 4, 4 3 is 12 and 2 14, 144 plus 4 cube means 64 plus 6. Now, we need to add this 6 and 4 10 and 10 and 4 14, 7 and 4 11 and this will be 2. So, 214 will be your answer. Next you see, here you have 81 by 16 to the power minus 3 by 4, 25 by 9 to the power minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. So, how we will solve this? You see, 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 and to the power minus 3 by 4 divided by, this can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 and into 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 into minus 3 by 2 divided by 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2 into minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 inverse you have, 5 by 2 to the power minus 3 you have, it can be written as 2 by 5 to the power 3. Now, you see this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. So, you will have 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 3, and here you have, this will be cancelled. So, you will be left with 5 to the power 3 minus and 3 to the power minus 3 divided by, it means if you are multiplying this again, inverse of this you will get. So, this you will get 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3, and then you will get 3 to the power minus 3 and 2 to the power minus 3 you have. So, if you are making this positive, so it will become 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 into, again this if you are making positive, it will be 3 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3 and into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3. Now, you see which numbers can be cancelled, you cancel that, 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. So, you are left with, again this will also will be cancelled. So, you are left with 1. So, your answer will be 1. Next you see, this is very easy question, but important. You see, generally children do mistakes. Here you see plus sign you have. So, we cannot write 1 to the power 3 into 1 by 2. This will not be multiplied because sign is plus. If plus or minus sign will be there, that cannot be done. Only with multiplication or division this can be done, power and power will be multiplied. So, how we will solve this? You see, 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27 and to the power 1 by 2. It means this will be 36 to the power 1 by 2. It means 6 square into 1 by 2 and this will be cancelled, you will get 6 and this will be your answer. Next you see 5 into 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 3 and again whole to the power 1 by 4. So, how we will solve this you see? Five you have, this can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 and to the power 3 and whole to the power 1 by 4 and this will be 5 into, this will be cancelled. Here you see this 3 and 3 will be cancelled, 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So, you will get 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 to the power 3 and whole to the power 1 by 4. So, you will get 5, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 5 to the power 3 you have, 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 4. It means this can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n, means a to the power m plus n, nothing you have means 1 you have, 1 plus 3 will become 4. So, 5 to the power 4 and to the power 1 by 4. It means 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, it will be cancelled, you will get 5 and this will be your answer. Next you see two to the power 0 plus 7 to the power 0 divided by 5 to the power 0. Again this is very easy question. 2 to the power 0 means 1, 7 to the power 0 means 1, 5 to the power 0 means 1, it means 2 by 1 and 2 will be your answer. Next you see 16 to the power 1 by 2 and whole to the power 1 by 2. So, how we will solve this? Here you see this 16 can be written as 4 to the power 1 by 2, 4 4 is 16. So, 4 square to the power 1 by 2 and whole to the power 1 by 2. So, this will be 4 square into 1 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 2. This will be cancelled, 4 to the power 1 by 2 and this is 2 square into 1 by 2. This will be cancelled, you will get 2. Your answer will be 2. Next you have 8 to the power minus 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 25 to the power minus 5 by 4 divided by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 into 125 to the power minus 5 by 6 and that is equal to root 2, you need to prove. So, here you see how we will prove. Here you have 2 to the power 3, 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 and into minus 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 into minus 5 by 4 divided by, this can be written as 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 by 5, this will be multiplication and then into 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 into minus 5 by 6. Now you see which can be cancelled. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 5 and 5 got cancelled. So, what you are left with? Here you see 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 5 to the power minus 5 by 2, 2 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power minus 5 by 2. Now, again you see this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and you are left with 2 to the power 1 by 2, and that is root 2, and that you had to prove. Next question you see, 64 by 125 to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 256 by 625 to the power 1 by 4 plus root under 25 divided by cubic root of 64, and that is equal to 65 by 16. You need to prove. So, start with LHS. And that you have 64 by 125. 64 can be written as 4 to the power 3 and to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by, this can be written as 256. 256 can be written as 64 into 4 will be 4 to the power 4 and to the power 1 by 4, that will be multiplied, and here 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4 plus root under 25 means 5, cubic root 64, cubic root 64 means 4, you see 4 into 4 into 4, 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, it means what? Cubic root of this will be 4. So, this can be written as 4. Now, you see this 3 and 3 will be cancelled, here 3 and 3 will be cancelled, here 4 and 4 will be cancelled, here 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So, what you can write? Here you have 4 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 by 5. 1 by 4 by 5 means what? 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4, and this will be, if you are writing in positive. So, inverse of 4 to the power minus 2 will be what? Inverse of 4 we need to write down, and inverse of 5. So, this will be 5 square by 4 square plus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4, and you will get 25 by 16 plus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4. LCM you will have 16. So, this you will have 25 plus 4 4 just 16. So, 20 plus 20, it means 65 by 16, 65 by 16, and that you had to prove. Next question you see, you have 7 into 81 to the power 1 by 4 plus 256 to the power 1 by 4 whole to the power 1 by 4 and again whole to the power 4, and you need to prove that is 16807. How will solve this? You see, again 7 into 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 and to the power 1 by 4, it means 1 by 4 will be multiplied, plus 256 can be written as 64 into 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 4 and whole to the power 1 by 4 and again whole to the power 4. So, this will be 7. Here you see this 4 and 4 will be cancelled, here 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So, you are left with 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So, it can be written as 7 to the power 1 by 4 and whole to the power 4. So, again you see 7 to the power 4, it will be 7 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 1 by 4, 7 to the power 1 by 4 into 4. This power 4 has been multiplied in both the powers, because here multiplication is there. So, this can be written as 7 to the power 4 into this 4 and 4 will be cancelled and you are left with only 7. So, this will be 7 to the power 4 into 7 and that is equal to 7 to the power 5. Just you multiply 5 times 7. So, 7 7 ja 49 into 49 into 7, and if you are multiplying this you will get 16807. So, that is equal to 16807 and that is your RHS, and this you had to prove. So, till now whichever questions I have solved, these questions are very important. Just you try to learn and try to solve yourself, and rest of the questions also you try yourself. I think you will be able to solve. So, next day we will see rest of the questions, and till then thank you.